Let's go over some tools. Here is my toolbox. I'm going to pull it over here just so you can see it. So here's what's interesting about these tools that create the animation. First of all, as you can see, it's not that complicated. There's not that many of them. See these three dots? If I click that, it brings me over to other tools that may not be on here. For example, the default sometimes doesn't come up with the pen. So if I'm in here, I can just grab the pencil, not pen, and pull it over. And that's it. And then I click this and I'm out of it. So let's go from the top down. This is my selection tool. There's two selection tools. One is for just a general selection, and this is sub-selection. Because this is this is not raster based, but it is vector based, which means that if I create a product here, an animation, and I expand it in terms of size, it will keep the exact same quality because it's geometry based, not pixel based. Raster is like Photoshop, one of those kinds of programs, and that's all pixels. So if you expand it, it starts getting fuzzy and blurry, and even if you diminish it. So this finds points. This one, that finds points in lines. This is your free transformation tool. This is your lasso tool, and it's got some other properties here too. Magic wand, polygon tool, all kinds of stuff. We're going to avoid these for right now. This is my brush tool, eraser tool, shape tool. Let's make a rectangle. Okay? There's two parts to a rectangle. One is the fill. That's the fill. And the other is the stroke. I'm going to hit Control Z or Command Z, and that'll put that back one step backwards. The fill is determined by this box, the color. The stroke is by this color, the stroke color, black and yellow. Let's say I want a different color. I just go here to the swatch box. What I did was I clicked on it, swatch box, and then I clicked here. You can see if I get closer, see this little, looks like pixels. Click off, solid, click on, looks like pixels. This means that it's available for me to change color. Click off, not available anymore. Now I'm going to take the stroke. See this? Ink bottle tool. And I'm going to hit this, let's get a brown. And you see that's now, I grab this, pull it, you see this is the brown color. Okay? So those are just a brief intro to tools. Let's do a couple little more things. Notice this when I grab a tool. Shape tool. See what happens? This changed down here. And this also changed here in the properties box. I have two different ways to change what's going on within each tool. Pencil. See this? I can change the style. I can change the stroke. I can change whether it's straight line or an ink. Ink means it's like as if I were drawing on it. So let's draw with a white. And then if I want to draw straight line with a small stroke, I can do it like that. So once again, Properties box controls the tools. So if you're playing and you're looking here, you're going to have to experiment with a lot of this. Style, width, this can play with that too. See how that does it? Has to do with the pressure. And then this is ink or straighten. It straightens it out for you. So, once again, toolbox, options for the tool that I select, options for the tool that I select. So let's stop it right here. We'll go on to some more tools in a minute.